Hello and welcome to our Technology Showcase. I'm Susan Olunloyo.
And I'm Mina Park.
This is a video about Class Dojo, an online platform that teachers use to connect with teachers, families, and students.
So what is Class Dojo? It is an app that is used for teachers to keep track of students, assign work, monitor their progress, and more. It is used mainly in countries like Canada and the United States.
It is about interconnectedness and community building as it applies to the education of students and the understanding of parents about what the students are doing or learning in school and the progress that is being made.
Teachers can share photos, videos, and messages with students and families, so it's especially useful for remote or virtual learning.
It is accessible through different technological devices like your computer, smartphone, laptop, and iPad. It also has an option to provide language translation. So this can be especially helpful for English language learners, immigrants, or refugee families who may have trouble with English.
Take a look at this demonstration video we have prepared for you. This is what you will see when you first open classdojo.com. When you scroll down on their website, it gives you an overall explanation of what Class Dojo is. You will need to sign up and make an account. I signed up as a teacher, I put in all my information, and clicked sign up. This will direct you to a page where you need to register with your school. Once you do this, you will see a dashboard with your classes. I created a demo class for this presentation. You can insert students one by one, or insert a class list from Word or Excel to have it automatically done for you.
Each student gets an avatar and it can be representative of them. So one way the Class Dojo can be used in a classroom is by using a point system to show what students are working on. However, it is advisable that when using this app, teachers try as much as possible not to use the system of deducting points from students, but rather encourage them while using this app.
There are many other things you can use this application for. You can create groups for assignments. You can create portfolios of each student's work. You can create an activity or assignment. You can create a class story or feed, kind of like Facebook. And connect with parents by adding their phone number or email using the messaging system to communicate with them.
It is an app that can be used during physical education classes and also in supporting students' well-being and appropriate behavior in the classroom.
That was a very quick demonstration, but I hope you got the overall picture of Class Dojo.
So I'm going to talk about the connection to the learning that we have had in a technology class. So the ISTE standards help students to be empowered learners. Under the facilitator aspect of the ISTE standards, the educator facilitates learning with technology to support student achievement. So this can be aligned with the use of Class Dojo, where the teacher gives out iPads to students to document their learning. Firstly, students get creative. For example, during a science lesson, students can use different materials to make structures. The use of technology to document the structures that they are making, the process of making the structures, and the materials that they are using to make these structures demonstrate how students take ownership of their learning using digital platforms. And this can be shared with the parents through Class Dojo by the teacher. So this enables parents to be a part of their child's learning. Now, Class Dojo also supports the universal design learning approach because it supports all learners. Students who are visual learners or students who are ELLs are able to use technology to show their learning process through picture documentation.
There are 3 main external research articles that I've found that highlight the benefits of Class Dojo for classroom management. In the first article, researchers Crack, McCreary, and Rimmel followed teachers' documentation of behavior by their own system, no system, or a computer-based system like Class Dojo. They found that Class Dojo was able to provide a good quantity of data while being very reliable. The second article by Chetan and Chetan revealed that middle schoolers' opinion of Class Dojo was positive, and it did not vary between genders or lower achieving versus higher achieving students. It is a recommended technology for classroom management. Lastly, the researcher Data Kojava indicated that teachers who use the good behavior game, which is a point system that teachers use to record good or bad behavior for different teams, they found that using Class Dojo for this was effective at improving academically engaged behavior and decreasing disruptive behavior.
I want to share with you the resources that we have had for this presentation. Since it is a technological platform that many teachers are using, there are a lot of teacher hands-on experiences that have been recorded on YouTube to support other educators that are planning to use the app for the first time, or to share their experiences of the success and challenges of using Class Dojo. These teachers have created comprehensive demo videos on YouTube about Class Dojo. There is a Class Dojo YouTube channel that you can subscribe to and watch their videos. They go in detail by step, giving step-to-step instructions and different tips and tricks that you can use in the application. Please look onto our resource list for these resources. Thank you. In conclusion, Class Dojo is a great application for teachers to use in order to connect with the stakeholders in the community. What does it do? So actually, it creates a positive culture, it gives students a voice, and also it allows teachers to share moments of students' work with parents.
Yes, the aspect of community is so important even in the virtual environment. The students may enjoy and see Class Dojo to be a fun environment with the colorful visuals and monster characters.
I hope this presentation helped you to get a crash course on Class Dojo, and you may consider using it in your teaching practice. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. Goodbye, everyone.